Hi, welcome to Everyday Ella again. I'm Ella and I'm at Canary Wharf and I'm going to do a vlog on going to a 5-star hotel in Canary Wharf, and I hope it really looks nice. But yeah, let's go. Right now we're a bit lost because we were supposed to be like going to a hotel, but we ended up in a car park, super here, and like we can't even find the way out. All the doors are unlocked, so we're gonna go up security how to get out. Okay, so we finally found the way out and the view is actually so nice. Like, look, it's so beautiful. So I'm currently walking on the shores of Canary Wharf and it's really like actually really cool. But yeah, it's like all the landmarks and stuff. It's all really cool, and they're looking construction, guys, construction. Yeah. So that's what we're doing right now. We're going on a walk around Canary Wharf while waiting for the others to come, and yeah, it's going so well so far. So yeah. This is the background with the sea in it, and it's still going. I'm not really sure where we're going. We're just like strolling around for now. I'll wait for the others to come. But you know, the sea actually looks really blue today. Normally it would look green. It looks really blue today. So yeah. Yeah, so right now we're still taking a nice stroll, but I wanted to see so good, so top notch. So right now we're walking through the streets of Canary Wharf because we're supposed to be at the hotel, but the people directing us aren't here yet, so we're gonna wait for them. But while waiting, we're gonna like walk around. Yeah. So this is the 5-star hotel. It's really giving fancy because like there's a 5-star on top of the hotel and these flowers outside, like these plants I meant, are giving fancy. So right now we're in the hotel. It's like really quiet in here, so I have to whisper. But we're in the hotel right now and it looks so fancy, bro. Do you know how fancy this looks? Like it's so cool. Whoa, the winery looks so nice. Brother has gone to go explore. Look at this guy. Guys, I'm gonna try 5-star hotel water. It's so good. There's a swimming pool, guys. Like, there's literally a swimming. This hotel is like top-notch fancy. Now I get why it's 5-star. So we're going into the hotel room. Glass table, too. Another glass table. Doors. that 5-star hotel was absolutely amazing, and also the string playing was so good. I should have brought my violin, but it's fine, it's okay. 5 flags. That brings us to the end of this vlog. We're back at the car park, which we first got lost at, and now we're gonna go. So thanks for watching. Bye. If you haven't already, like or subscribe. Have a good day or night. Bye.